Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Indian Navy's fourth stealth Scorpion class submarine, INS Vela, was commissioned today, November 25, 2021, in a major boost to the Navy's combat capability. INS Vela was commissioned into the Indian Navy in the presence of the Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh, at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai. INS Vela will help the Indian Navy to undertake an entire spectrum of submarine operations like anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare. Commissioning such submarines in a complex security situation gives the Indian Navy all required capability and firepower to protect India's maritime interests. INS Vela is part of the Kalvari class diesel electric attack submarines, which are based on the Scorpion class submarine being built for the Indian Navy. These submarines are designed by French Naval Defense and Energy Company, which is DCNS, and are being manufactured by Mazakan Dock Limited in Mumbai. If we quickly see the general characteristics of these submarines, the length stands at 67.5 meters, beam at 6.2 meters, and a height at 12.3 meters. Each submarine is powered by 4 MTU 12V 396 SC84 diesel engines, and it has 360 battery cells for power and has a silent permanently magnetized propulsion motor. These submarines can reach a top speed of 20 knots when submerged and a maximum speed of 11 knots when surfaced. The submarine has a range of 6,500 nautical miles at 8 knots when surfaced and a range of 550 nautical miles at 4 knots when submerged. The displacement of these submarines are 1,650 tons when surfaced and 1,775 tons when submerged. Each submarine has a complement of 8 officers and 35 sailors. Coming to the armaments, this class of submarines are equipped with 6 533 mm torpedo tubes for a combination of 18 heavyweight wire-guided German-made surface and underwater target torpedoes. And not only that, these submarines can also be equipped with SM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles or 30 mines as well. These submarines are also fitted with a mobile C-303/S anti-torpedo decoys for self-defense. The C-303/S is a high-performance anti-torpedo countermeasure system which is designed to resist the attacks of most technologically advanced torpedoes. This submarine has a sonar system which is capable of low-frequency analysis and ranging, which enables them for a long-range detection and classification. So that was a quick update on the latest status of INS Vela submarine, which was commissioned today by the Indian Navy. And we also went through all vital details about this class of submarines. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.